These videos are going viral right now, where a hand rescues people from different problems. They're getting millions of views, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Go to our website and click on GPT Library in the sidebar menu. In the search bar at the top, type Mini Rescue and click Start Chat. Once the Chat GPT interface opens, click Start to have the model output a list of rescue scenarios. To see more options, type More into the chat box and send it to generate another 10 creative ideas. Select your preferred scene from the list, for example, tiny campers cornered by wildfire. Type the number of that scene into the prompt box and send it. The model will automatically generate 2 optimized prompts, a text-to-image prompt for Nano Banana 2 and a text-to-video prompt for Seedance 2.0. Next, switch over to the OpenArt workspace. Hover over Image in the top navigation bar and select Create Image. On the left panel under Models, click the drop-down menu and choose Nano Banana 2. Click on the Aspect Ratio drop-down menu and in the pop-up options, choose 9:16 and set the resolution to 2K. Go back to your Chat GPT tab, copy the Nano Banana 2 prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. Browse through your generated images and select one you like. From the menu options on the right side of the image, click Frame to Video. In the Video Creation interface, click the Model drop-down menu and change it to Seedance 2.0. Return to Chat GPT to copy the Seedance 2.0 prompt, then paste it into the video description box on OpenArt. Finally, adjust your generation settings by sliding the duration to 10 seconds. Put the aspect ratio at 9:16 and click Generate to create a video like this. I also tested it with Kling AI 3.0, and this was the result. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.